I vibe code $1,000 applications using the Replit AI agent, and I'm going to show you how in this video. So this is a CRM dashboard that I've built using the Replit AI agent, and on freelancing websites, there are a lot of clients that are willing to pay upwards of $750 just for CRM dashboards that look just like this. So I've created a much better looking CRM dashboard that clients buy from me for upwards of $1,000. And it's very simple to build. You just need to write prompts to the Replit AI agent and the AI builds your app entirely for you. You don't even have to write a single line of code. So I'm going to show you how I do that in this video. In order to build our advanced application, we're going to need to use the Replit AI agent. In order to access the Replit AI agent, you want to head over to this link, replit.com/tilde. This symbol right here is called a tilde, and it will take you to a login and sign up page where you can sign up for a Replit account. It's completely free, and once you have a Replit account, it will redirect you to this page where you can interact with the agent. So the way the Replit AI agent works is you tell it what kind of app you want to build, and it simply builds your app for you from scratch. So we're going to be getting into more detail on how exactly that works and how to build our entire app from it. But first, let's look at the app that we're going to create. So the app that we're building is a customer relationship management dashboard, or a CRM dashboard. So as you can see over here, I've conducted a very simple Google search for a super good looking CRM dashboard. And this is one that I really liked. So we're going to be using this as inspiration for our own app, and not just in a random way. We're going to be using it as inspiration to input into an AI to generate a prompt, and then we're going to use that prompt to direct the AI to build our app. So it's a very fun process, and I'll guide you through it. So I've taken a screenshot of this app that I really liked. So as you can see over here, I have a screenshot of this same application that we're going to be using. Before we proceed, I'd like to thank AIDevelopers.tech for sponsoring this video, but more on that later. Alright, so now we're going to use tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity to take inspiration from the app that we just screenshotted and use it onto our own app. Alright, so I'm going to paste an image of this right over here into ChatGPT. Alright, and now what we're going to do is we're going to ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for us so that it can build this application, and we're going to paste that prompt over here in the Replit AI agent. So what that basically does is it gives us a very, very good and detailed prompt. For example, if over here I say, create a CRM dashboard app for me, and I click on start building, it's not really going to build a very detailed and good looking application like the one that I have right over here. So if I want an app that looks like this and is structured like this and has a color scheme that is similar to this, then I can use ChatGPT to create a prompt that instructs the Replit AI agent to build that for me. Right, so I'm gonna head back over here, and here let's tell ChatGPT to start writing a prompt. So I'm gonna say, I want to use this image as inspiration for a CRM dashboard that I'm building. I'm building it using a code gen platform like the Replit AI agent. Give me a detailed prompt that I can give the AI agent. Well, let's be specific, the Replit AI agent to build this app. Make sure you include the color scheme, features, sections, and everything. All right, so now I'm going to hit enter, and now ChatGPT is going to give us a prompt for building an application like this. So here is a detailed prompt you can give to the Replit AI agent to build a CRM dashboard inspired by this UI design. All right, so it's giving us this prompt for the Replit AI agent. Build me a modern CRM dashboard with a web app inspired by the attached image. All right, and then it gives us everything that we need to tell Replit AI agent. So if we give Replit AI agent all of this information, then it's much more detailed than something just like this, a one-sentence prompt. So obviously it would result in a much better application as a consequence of that. All right, so this is the kind of application that we want to create. And as you can see, it has a logo, it has different sections, different graphs, different infographics, a lot of cool stuff over here. And you're going to see later on as we build the app with the Replit AI agent, it's going to do the same thing. Right? So now let's take this prompt and let's paste it into Replit AI Agent. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and I'm just going to paste it right over here again. And the reason I'm doing that is to remove some unimportant things. So let's remove this line right over here. And let's remove this. All right, cool. Let's remove some other stuff as well. We can remove emojis. We can remove the emojis, part of the prompt. We don't need emojis. So this prompt is much more detailed. As you can see, there's a lot of cool things here. It's talking about the style and everything that we would need to build a very good application. All right, so this is all pretty cool. All right, great. So we have, and we're not attaching an image, so build me a modern CRM dashboard web app. Perfect. So this is the prompt. So now I'm going to copy this. All right, and I'm going to cut it right over here. And now we're going to paste that into the Replit AI agent. All right, so let's paste that right over here. And as you can see, this is taking it as a text file, which is something that we don't want. We want our prompt to be shorter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head back over to ChatGPT and I'm going to say, shorten this prompt for me. Shorten this prompt for me while keeping the details the same. All right. So now what it's going to do is it's going to shorten the prompt so that it actually fits into the Replit AI agent. And even if it's still not short enough, we can actually shorten it even more. It's not that hard. All right, so let's just wait for it to write our entire prompt, and then we're going to paste that into the Replit AI agent. That way, the Replit AI agent will have very detailed instructions on how to build our website/app for us. All right, so let's copy this and let's paste it over here. We're going to remove this. And let's scroll up. Let's see what else we can remove. Let's remove this as well. And now let's copy this and let's paste it into the agent. Before moving forward with pasting that prompt into the agent, I want to introduce you to the sponsor of today's video, AIDevelopers.tech. They're a no-code agency and they're basically a team of ex-software engineers who can turn your idea into an app in seconds. So if you want to book a free consultation, you can head over to the link I'll leave in the description, and you can click on this book free demo right over here, and you can schedule a meeting with their team based on your availability. Another really cool thing about this agency is that you can earn up to $1,000 by referring any client to them. So make sure to check them out, it's super cool. So here in the agent, I'm just going to paste that prompt right over here. And one more thing that's really cool about Replit is that you can also attach images with your prompts. So I'm going to attach this screenshot that we used for inspiration right over here. And what that does is it gives the agent two things to work on. The first is an attached image of the type of app that we want to build. And the second is a very detailed AI generated prompt that describes everything we want to build in a lot of detail. So we have everything that we need for Replit Agent to build our advanced application for us. So you want to click on this button, Start Building. So what Replit AI Agent is going to do now is it's going to present a plan for us. All right, so the plan is basically a way of Replit asking us if we're okay with proceeding in a certain manner. And I'll show you exactly what that means in just a minute. So as you can see, it's saying it's going to propose a plan. Now we can either approve the plan or we can make edits to the plan or reject the plan if we don't like it. The plan is basically how it's going to move forward with the app. It also adds a couple of additional features based on its own intuition, and that's something that you can use to monetize with clients. You can either charge your clients extra, or you can just add the additional features to make sure that your clients are impressed and happy with the app that you've built. So as you can see, it's offering additional features that we didn't mention. So that's something that's really cool about Replit AI. It actually uses its own knowledge and intelligence to come up with some more ideas that could be additional to your application. So these are all very cool ideas. For now, we're not going to add any of them and we're just going to move forward with the application. But if you're interested, you can add these additional features as well. All right, so this is the plan. It's named it Modern Dashboard, a modern CRM dashboard with a dark themed UI featuring various data visualizations, interactive elements, and responsive layout. So this is the plan, and I'm going to click on Approve Plan and Start, and it's going to start building our app for us. So I'm going to click on Approve Plan and Start, and now it's going to start building our application. So as you can see, it's updated us on the left that it has started building our app. All right, so let's just wait for Replit to start building our app. I'm going to close the preview for now, and we're going to wait for the Replit AI agent to build our application for us. So it's going to keep us updated on this purple tab right over here. So right now the agent is determining the next steps, thinking, and it's going to keep giving you updates as to what it's doing, reviewing our message, and eventually as it moves forward, it's going to update you in over here as well. So just be patient, and it'll just take a couple of minutes and Replit will build your app for you. You don't have to do anything. You can just sit back and wait for Replit AI Agent to build our application for us. So as you can see here in the agent, it is building my application for us. So you can see that it's building a variety of different files for us. So you can actually go into each and every single one of these files to see the different code here. Like I've clicked on this one to see what the code is in the sidebar. So if I want to see what's in the dashboard, so I can click on this and it gives me all of the code that's here in the dashboard. So it's a great way to understand what's going on within your application in case your client actually wants the code as well. You can give them the direct code. You can just copy this and give your client the direct code as well. So this is all pretty cool stuff. You can check out all of the different code files and you can copy and paste them if you want to do something different with your app or that's apart from Replit Agent. But we're just going to keep on waiting for it to build our app. Now, if you want, you can actually take these apps and sell them to your clients directly, or you can actually save the code files, paste them into a code editor, and market the app separately. Either way, it's a really great way to make money, and Replit Agent almost seems to be done. Install dependencies happens close and near towards the end, so we're pretty much ready with our full application. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a visual preview of our app once this is done so we can actually see what our app looks like. So the next thing that you want to do is just make sure that your app is completely as per your client's needs, and then you can send them your application. So once your client has the application, they can tell you the feedback, and you don't have to do anything. You can just go back to the agent, tell it what you want to add, tell it what you want to remove, and that's it. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to look at the preview. So it's saying that I've implemented a modern CRM dashboard with a dark themed UI based on the provided design. The dashboard includes all of this, interactive elements, dummy data implementation, data visualization components, charts, stats, progress indicators, sidebar, navigation, everything that we asked for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at a preview of our application. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a tab over here. And here you want to look for preview. You can either search for it or you can just find it manually. So here is preview, and I'm going to click on preview, and let's see the preview that it presents for our app. So it's going to present a preview of our application, and that's basically what our app is going to look like. All right, so it's presenting a responsive version of our app. As you can see, there's a lot of infographics here. This looks very, very cool, and it's all with data. So I can expand this app through right over here if I want to. I'm not going to do that for now because I think this looks cool, and you can see all of the different things that it's designed. So this is an MVP, a minimum viable product that we can actually present to a client to show them that we've built a very basic version of what they're asking for. Now, if we want to add or remove features, all you have to do is mention them over here. So if I want to, for example, make the logo visible even when it's in a shrunken mode, we can do that as well. So there's a lot of different things that you can do. We can expand this a little bit to see the logo, to see some things on the left over here. As you can see, this looks very, very nice. It actually looks like a professional dashboard. This looks very good. This is a professional application that we've built through the Replit AI agent in just a couple of minutes. So as you can see, it's asking if everything is working properly. It's very careful. And in case your client wants to add things or remove things even, all you have to do is just message the agent about that, and the agent will fix everything for you. So let's try and add one more feature, and we'll basically be capable of reiterating as much as we want with the agent then. Alright, so let's look at the potential features that we can add. Let's say, alright, you know what we should do? We should take all of this data, this lorem ipsum, and replace it with actual data. So let's ask it to do that. Alright, so let's say replace lorem ipsum and all of those placeholders in place of the dummy data with actual data. You may use data from sources like the web, Yahoo Finance, and Wikipedia. So if your client actually has a particular database, you can link that database right over here. And what that does is it gives Replit Agent access to your database, and then they can actually use data from that database. So if my client provided a database, I could have linked that right over here and used that to build this CRM dashboard based on my client's company. But for now, we're just going to use some random data from these sources, and it's going to show you how to build that application as well. So I'm giving that to the agent, and the agent is now thinking, and the agent is going to do that exactly for us. So that's what I love about Replit AI Agent. You can just keep on reiterating. There's absolutely no limit to what you can do. You can keep on building and advancing your application. So hours on this application, we could achieve a lot of cool things. And the second is that the applications are actually very good, and we have a constant feedback loop. If there's anything that they want to add, it just takes me a couple of minutes, because all I have to do is tell the Replit AI agent to add something or change something, and it does it immediately. So it's a very seamless process for making a lot of money by vibe coding and building applications and websites for clients. So this is how we do that. This is how I've built some really, really cool and worthy applications using Replit AI agent. So as you can see, it's going back into the code files to edit everything like I showed you earlier. All you have to do is click on this to see all of the code that it's writing. So the machine is a little heavy right now, but you can see that there's all of this code here. So it's pretty cool. 82 more changes not shown. If you open the entire file, it'll show those changes as well. So it's pretty cool. It keeps on doing whatever we ask it to, and it's just going to move forward with the application just like that. So you can look at the application, you can see all of the different things that are going on over here. It's a fully interactive website, so there's nothing that's wrong or can go wrong here. It's a completely perfect website. Replit makes sure to go into the depths of everything that's working here. So you can click on anything, all of it works. And it's actually very impressive, very cool, a lot of cool things. All of these buttons are clickable and take you to different pages. So, and it's all relevant. It's all relevant to what a customer relationship dashboard would want. All right, so as you can see, there's data over here for different sections, software, services, and hardware. And if you recall, that's exactly what we told ChatGPT to include in the prompt, and then thereby moving it over to Replit AI Agent. So I hope you guys are as stoked as I am and how easy this is and how awesome this is, that we're able to build full MVPs using Replit in just a couple of minutes. It's very, very cool. So I'm just going to wait for the Replit AI agent to finish editing everything so that it can give us a better version of our application. All right, cool. So everything that I see over here is now actual stuff. So let's just wait for it to load the application fully. But we already saw that it had actually added some really cool data. All right, so it's saying CRMX is the name of the company, active leads, closed deals, customer count, market share, customer satisfaction, email notifications, software, website traffic. So now instead of placeholder data like lorem ipsum and a bunch of useless data, it now actually has actual data that looks super realistic. So this is a fully working, very good application that you can actually present to a client as a demo. I know a lot of clients that I've had that would actually really like applications like these. So it's that simple. Building a MVP using Replit AI Agent is that simple. In just 2 prompts that we've created and sent to the AI agent, it's done that. So if your client wants to add a database to store user data, you can do that as well. As you can see, it's suggesting things by itself. So it's a very, very fun way to work with AI to build applications.